Hi all, welcome back to our channel Code with Honey. Today we are going to solve August 19th LeetCode challenge, which is number of zero-filled subarrays. So we'll be given an integer array nums and we have to return the number of subarrays filled with 0. So subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. So in this example, nums 1 3 0 0 2 0 0 4. So here if you see, these two are consecutive subarray. So this too has consecutive subarray. So if you see, so from this we can form 3, right? 0 0 0 0. 3 subarrays we can form. Here also the same. So 3 plus 3 6. Here if you see 0 0 0 2 0 0. So here 0 0 0. Already we have separate 0 0 is a subarray. Then 0 0 0 0 is a subarray. Then the 000 is a subarray. So when it goes of length 3, we'll be getting 6. So again for this 2 we will be getting already 3. So 6 plus 3 will be 9 subarrays. So here if you see there is no 0 at all. So we are returning 0. So this is the example that they have given. Now let's see how we are going to approach this. Okay, now I have taken these two examples. So 1 3 0 0 0 0. So they are asking subarrays that is completely filled with 0. So we can find which all which zeros are. So the subarray should fully consist of 0 0, right? So we can take so we know that we should start and end with values that consist we should start and end at an index where we have continuous zeros. So here if you see this is one subarray, this is one subarray, this together is one subarray. So we can take this index and this index. So we know at any point the number of elements n into n plus 1 by 2 will give us number of subarrays of any length. So here the count is 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 by 2 will give us 3. So this is the instead of that also one way that we can go with approach and n into n plus 1 by 2. Other way is, so till now here you know the count is 1. So now the count will be 2. So if you keep on adding the number of continuous count whatever you are getting, if you keep on adding it to the resultant array, then that will also give you the same number of subarray. So here the count is 1 that you added to the result. Now here the count is 2 that if you add 1 plus 2 will give us 3. Got it? So now here it we'll be resetting the count to 0 again. So when it comes here it is 1, when it comes here it is 2 again. Here already our result is 3. Here current 0 is 1, here current continuous 0 is 2. So 1 plus 2 again, 3 plus 3 will give us resultant 6. I hope you guys would have understood. So the same here. So 1 plus when it comes here 2 plus when it comes here 3, 6 in total. So if you see 0 0 0, it's separate, right? As well as 0 0 0 0 will be getting. So 2, this is 3, 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 will be getting 2. Then total 0 0 0 will be getting as a 1. So in total also we will be getting 6, right? So yeah, like this. So the same here will be getting 3. So 6 plus 3 will be getting 9 as a answer. For this array will be getting 9 as answer. For this we'll be getting 6 as a answer. So yeah, either first you can go with approach n into n plus 1 by 2 by calculating the consecutive numbers. Second, you can keep on adding that count to the resultant array. Current zeros. Okay, current zeros you can add it to the resultant arrays. So once if it is non-zero, you reset the current 0 to 0. Got it? Okay. This is the two approaches we'll be using to solve this. So yeah, here if you see total this is the exact solution that what we have discussed now. Initially total filled subarrays and current zero filled subarrays will be 0. So if the number is 0, you'll be adding plus or equals to 1, and the zero filled subarrays will be added with initially 1. If it is second also 0 0, so it will be getting added to 1. If it is 3, the current filled subarrays will be 1 plus or equals to 1, which means 3. So then it will get added to the total zero filled subarrays. So even if it is not num equals to 0, we will be resetting the current zero filled subarrays to 0. So yeah, so next when the another 0 comes, so now it will be 1 that we will be adding to the total zero filled subarray. So by this we'll be getting in total zero filled subarrays. Else instead of this you can use another approach. The same for nums and nums. We will, instead of this, what we will be doing, if num when not equals to 0 comes, you will have the current filled subarrays, right? Current zero filled subarrays will have the count, right? So divided by, so here we will be doing current zero filled subarrays plus 1 by 2. So what is this? You will be adding it to the total zero filled subarrays. Okay, once if it is not equal to 0, then you have to reset the current zero filled subarrays to 0. Once you have like this also, you can this is the second approach that you can use, which basically n into n plus 1 by 2. This is n is nothing but current zero filled subarrays that you will be adding when the num not equals to 0 to the total zero filled subarrays. So now if you take a look at the time complexity, we are just traversing at order of n. Space complexity is order of 1 because we are not storing anything in array, just two constants. Yeah, I hope this makes sense. I'll be giving this both approach solutions in the GitHub. Maybe you guys can go and check out, or else I'll be posting in a LeetCode solution. You guys can take a look. If you have any questions or concerns, please do leave a feedback. I'm happy to help. If you do like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.